In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out your wallet on Shein, whether you're a seasoned Shein shopper or a newcomer eager to explore the platform. Understanding how to navigate your digital wallet can be incredibly helpful. It allows you to keep track of your account balance, view past transactions, and manage your funds efficiently. Let's start by opening the Shein app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's available on both Android and iOS platforms, and installing it is a breeze. Just head over to your respective app store, search for Shein, and download the app. Once you've got the Shein app up and running, log into your account. If this is your first time, you might need to create an account. You can do this by following the on-screen prompts. Just make sure you have your email address handy for setting it up. Now that you're inside the app, look towards the bottom of the screen for a few icons that represent different sections of the app. Among them, you should spot a wallet icon. It's typically labeled or represented somewhere obvious, ensuring ease of navigation. Tap on this wallet icon. It's your gateway to accessing all your financial details on the platform. Upon tapping the wallet icon, you'll be directed to the My Wallet section. This is your central hub for all things related to your Shein balance. Here, you'll be able to view your current balance clearly displayed at the top of the screen, making it convenient to stay on top of your spending. In this section, you can also check any pending payments or refunds if applicable. Having access to this real-time information is beneficial for managing your budget and planning future purchases. Additionally, this is where you can see your transaction history. You'll find a detailed log of past transactions, including dates, amounts, and payment methods used. This transparency helps you keep track of your spending habits over time. Before you finish up, take a quick look around the My Wallet section to familiarize yourself with any other features that might be useful to you. Shein occasionally updates its interface to enhance user experience, so exploring a bit can uncover new tools and functionalities. By understanding how to efficiently use your Shein wallet, you're setting the stage for a more streamlined and enjoyable shopping experience. Whether you're budgeting for the next season's trends or just keeping a close eye on your spending, having this tool at your fingertips makes managing your finances on Shein easier than ever. Keep shopping smart and enjoy your journey with Shein.